can't hear my word in the microphone. Hey, now this is my buddy Don, 1927 Ford. Basically like a Ford coupe and stuff. And we're gonna walk around this baby real quick, man. This is a beautiful truck here, and hopefully, unfortunately, I got the auction going on, so he probably won't be able to talk to us too much about it here, though. So.
Don't worry, you're still in. 5. Now 10.
I like this top, Don.
Now you're out.
Now, is this like a pad underneath here?
Yeah.
Now, did you buy this or did you get this worked on? When you hit?
From a guy that had an upholstery shop.
Really?
He did all the upholstery.
Now, who did all the work for you? Do you remember?
It was John Alvey from Louisville.
Wow, really?
Yeah. If you look at this here,
He got some slicks on here too, man. Look at that.
that's hand painted pinstripe on there.
Oh, I bet it was. Oh, yeah.
And feel that. I mean, you can't feel it.
Got that clear over it. That's what you want right there, yeah.
So, I mean, there's a lot of detail work.
It is, man, yeah.
That's about it.
So did you have it painted or was it painted?
I bought it this way.
Really? I mean, but this got to be what, like a, brand new paint job, ain't it?
Yeah, it's candy apple gold. And I got caught in the rain last night.
I love this top, man. I mean, they got did an awesome job. Yeah, I've never seen top like that. Tell you what, that's good. And did he do the interior as well?
The guy I bought it from had a upholstery shop. And
Oh, okay.
headliner and everything.
Wow.
He really did it up right.
Yeah, he did. So look at that headliner there, guy.
And then I had Lethal Performance just rebuilt my motor.
Lethal Performance? They just rebuilt it? Oh, yeah, that's right, because I remember you had it in the shop. Yeah. Well, you didn't bring your wife with you today.
Yeah, she's here.
Oh, she is? Okay. Because she was telling me about it.
Yeah.
Can I open up the door?
Sure.
So how you do it? Just turn it?
Just turn it.
I got these cards in my hand. Yeah, I like that.
It won't do it.
I like it. I love the, it's kind of like the vintage old school look, but it's the new look. I mean, if that makes sense. Everything like the door, the panel, like the material, but it's up to date. Everything's
That's
new.
School.
Old school,
That's
yeah.
From the 50s.
Yeah. But it looks like it's brand new, if that makes sense. It looks up to date because it's so nice. This is a dang little old steering wheel, boy. I tell you, you got to get used to something like that.
That comes off.
Oh, it does?
Yeah.
Wow, okay. So you got a little lock on there or something?
Yeah.
Oh, okay. A little pull up. Man. I tell you, man, that's slick.
Hey.
Look how easy that closes. See how easy that closes, man? It closes better than a brand new car door.
I know.
Wow.
And the windows go up and down real easy.
The AC or the manual? The manual or the electric?
Manual.
Okay. Then what type of slicks are those? What type tires are those?
What size?
Yeah, what kind of tire? Are those like slicks or?
Yeah, those are the little pie crust slicks.
Yeah.
With the white walls from the old school.
Yeah.
Garlics type stuff.
The Krager rims.
Yep.
Now tell me about this motor. How much horsepower you got in this thing?
It's about 700.
Wow.
It's a 383 stroker.
383 stroker.
It's got 871 blower with two ATM 650 full barrels.
So what did they do when you had it in the shop? I mean, what did they do to it?
All the new internal parts, the crank, the pistons, the rods, the bearings. I mean, it was like $10,000.
Oh my goodness, God.
Just in the motor.
But you don't have no problem with it now, it's running good?
Yeah, it's running great now. And it's for sale.
Everything you got for sale now.
Yeah.
You ain't gonna get rid of this, are you?
Yeah, I'm gonna get a farm. And I'm gonna turn that into a tractor.
Turn what into a tractor? This? Oh, well, after you sell it?
Yeah.
Wow. Don, I tell you, man. I tell you, that's for sure, man. Look at that top there, man. Well, you know, that's what you have to do sometimes. Sometimes you got to move on, and
I know.
you know.
I mean, this isn't my first car. I've had lots of cars. The last one I had was a '60 Volkswagen convertible, and I had a 350 in the front with a tall Ram 2.4s.
Now, is this a California car though, or
No, Kentucky.
Kentucky, huh? Well, he said it's for sale, guys.
It's got a 9-inch Ford.
Rear end, 9-inch Ford rear end in it. Don said it's for sale, guys.
27 gears.
Wow. I tell you, it's nice and roomy too, Don.
I didn't hear you.
I said it's nice and roomy in here too.
Yeah.
For real, for sure. Look at that there.
How about $60?
And also, he said this is the windshield.
Yeah,
It comes that tilts off himself as well, guys. As you see. All right, so let's just take one more look around here, man.
All right, buddy.
Thanks, Don, for appreciate you letting us.
Not a problem.
Appreciate you letting us, you know, review it and
glad to
stuff,
see
man.
it again.
It'll be on the tube, so you have to look at it, the YouTube, you know. So Jeff have to look at it and stuff, and I have this on his own little segment and stuff, and I appreciate you,
on
man.
a couple TV shows.
Oh wow.
Sweet Rides.
Okay.
RIDZ. That television show.
Yeah.
And Not for Bob.
Oh really?
It's been on there too.
How long have you owned it?
About a year and a half.
Real, okay. Well, I appreciate you letting us being on Classic Chevy with CJ channel, man. That's awesome. That's a privilege.
I appreciate
Yeah.
good callers.
I tell you, man, this is a good one. Look at that, boy. Everything interior. So I want to just walk around, let you guys see this. You guys, it's not like it is in person, man. I wish you guys would see this in person. The colors are just right. Everything. Even the frame. Look at the frame there, guys. I mean, everything is tight and stuff. It's not messy. It's just everything is just so.
Clean underneath as it is on top.
Yeah, everything is so clean, man. I tell you, very, very tasteful. Very tasteful. Look at how clean that firewall is. That firewall is clean,
Get
man.
the horn on there.
The horn?
Yeah.
Let me see. He's about to do the horn. Yep. Now that is cool. I like that. Yeah. I thought it was gonna be. I was about to cover my ears. I thought it was gonna be loud, but yeah.
It's louder in the back.
Yeah. Yeah, the Wilson horn. That was his horn, guys.
Can you imagine seeing him?
All right, guys. So, hey, that's Don's 37. I appreciate him letting us view this beauty, man, of a gym. It was a very nice coupe, guys. So this is the type of stuff that I love to put on the channel. One of a kind vehicle, guys. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video. I know I enjoyed the video. I know Don, he enjoyed the video as well. So if you guys got a fast car or truck, smoke them if you got them. CJ is out, and I'll catch you guys on the next video. I'm out.